Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about 9 leads out delta connected dual voltage. This is line 1 and T1 partner sa coil is T4. Then connects terminal T7, then T2 for line 2. Partner niya T5. Then ampere T8. Then line 3 T3 partner niya T6. Jumper T9. Then T1 is line 1. This is T1, T2, T3. Ang partner sa T1 is T4. Ang partner sa T2, T5. Ang partner sa T3 is na coil is T6. Then T4 naka-jumper sa T7. Ang T5 naka-jumper sa T8. Ang T6 naka-jumper sa T9. For series delta connection. High voltage connection series delta. Connection ang line 1 T1, then T4 and T7 naka-join para sa line 1. Ang line 2 is T2. T5 and T8 naka-jumper para sa line 2 natin. Then line 3 is T3. Naka-jumper ang T6 and T9 para sa line 3. Then this is a parallel delta connection. This is terminal 1. Yung partner na coil sa terminal 1 is T4. Then ang T2 partner niya is na coil is T5. Then ang naka-series siya sa T3. Ang partner sa coil sa T3 is T6. T1 and T6 for line 1. Then this one is T7 coil T8, then coil T9, then coil. Ang T1 at saka T6 and T7 for line 1. Jumper siya, series siya. Then ang T4, T2 and T8 for connection natin for line 2. Then T5 and T3 and T9 para sa line 3 natin. Ating T-ball low voltage connection parallel delta connection line 1. Line 1 is T1 and T6 and T7. Naka-join siya. Jumper. Line 2, T2 and T4 and T8. Naka-connected siya. Para sa line 2. Line 3, T3 and T5 and T9. T5, T3 and T9 para sa line 3 natin. Then this is our coil. This is ito yung coil natin, T1. Ang partners T1, T4. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. T7, T8, T9. Ang partner niya T1 at T4. 2, coil niya T5. 3, coil niya partner T6. Then coil naka-jumper T7, naka-jumper T8, naka-jumper T9. Bible verse of the day. Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run it into it and is safe. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.